Are you a collector of check decor and thinking that you might want to add some greenery to your home, but you don't have a green thumb? Or maybe you travel a lot and you're not home to take care of the plants the way they really need. If so, you've come to the right place. This is the Crafty Hobbit channel. I'm Jeanette. I'm a home decor artist and a rehab designer. This year it was my goal to add more greenery available to collectors of check decor, buffalo checked, and French country so that you have more options to make your home warm and inviting, even if you don't have a green thumb. And that's where these palms come in. These are 10-inch faux palms. They have a matte green finish on their branches, and the branches can be repositioned to the exact style that you like. The pod is almost 3 inches in diameter, which gives it a small footprint with a big bang for the greenery that is displayed. You can pretty much tuck them anywhere, on your patio, your mantle, tabletop, shelf even, and you can also give them as a gift if you like. I have just a few of these available, but I also have other spring florals available, so follow the link in the video description below and see what's new in the shop this year for spring and summer. If you're wanting to know what new items are available as they come out, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. That's all I have for this one. Thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.